Okay, good. Now I started. Okay, and now we are at tree set. So tree set, and inside the Z we added so many elements.
Yeah.
So let me print that elements. Yes, I'm printing. So linked hash set and tree set. TRE tree set. Okay, tree set. So tree set elements, and I need to display here
Z.
Z. So let me print and we'll see the output what we'll get here. See here, you are getting class cast exception. So why you are getting, I will tell you. So basically what it will do, it will try to sort the elements.
Okay.
Whenever you want to sort an element, either it should be character or it should be number, right?
Yeah.
It should not be mixed.
Yes.
If you want to compare two elements, you can able to compare, number to number, right? You can't compare
Yes.
number with character,
Yes.
right? The same, so we need to remove these two first elements.
Okay.
So now all elements are numbers only.
Yes.
So now I will try to run the same elements again. See, now we didn't get any exception, and
Yeah.
see the elements. It is in which order? Ascending order, right? Clear, right?
Yes.
Also, let go to duplicates. 11, how many times is there?
Twice.
Twice. And here, how many times is there? 11.
Once.
So that is the difference between hash set and linked hash set and tree set.
Yeah.
So based on your requirement, you can select whatever you want.
Yeah.
And the same way you can write names also, it will sort.
Okay.
So that if you want, I will write one more example.
No, that's fine.
So it will give the same thing.
Yeah.
But you should not go mix character and number. That will not allow. Why? Because the problem is you are not able to compare with number and character. Then you will get exception called class cast exception. This is one of the runtime exception.
Okay.
So like that on the fly you will learn so many exceptions. That's what that day I told only arithmetic exception. You don't know all those things, right? You'll be confused. So this is the basic advantage of set. So set will not allow duplicates basically.
Okay.
Compared to the list. List will allow duplicates and set will not allow duplicates. And based on here hash or linked or tree, based on that you can pick whatever you want. So that is the basic advantage of set. Set we saw, list we saw. Now we'll go for map.
Okay.
Finally I will tell you what is the cube. Okay, it's not necessary, but I will tell you the concept and how to use it. So basically you need map, list and set only.
Okay.
So now the third one is map. So set is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now we'll go for map. So what I'm trying to do, I want to create one more class. File, new, and I'm trying to create class. So package name I'm giving com.map.
Okay.
And class name I'm giving map demo. So package name I had given com.map and class name I had given map demo. And I selected public static void main checkbox. So it will create default method.
What method?
It is clear, right?
Yes.
So far it is clear and no confusion.
Yeah.
And just now I'm doing finish. So we can close the set demo. We have already solved. It is not required. Just I'm removing the default comments. Also I'm removing white space. So this is clear, right, so far?
Yes.
So go to the PPT again. So here map is a super interface and these three are subclasses.
Subclasses.
So hash table is one of the subclass. Hash map, it is one of the subclass. And tree map, it is one of the subclass. And linked hash map, it is one of the subclass. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there totally. Okay. Now what I want to do, first I will create an object for hash map.
Okay.
So I will create an object for hash map and I will assign it to map.
Yeah.
Okay. Internet connection is unstable. Don't know why it's getting the message. Let create me object. So I'm creating an object for hash map. So the second one. So let me create an object for hash map. HASHMAP hash map. So right now, to create an object, we need to use open bracket, new bracket, and new, and we need to assign it to map.
Yeah.
Map. So map is a variable. Okay, and this is clear, right?
Yeah. Can you give variable in any?
Okay, I will give X
Yeah.
so that you will not confuse.
Yes.
So far it's clear, right? This is a class and this is a super interface. Clear, right? Hello, Nagendra? Hello? Hello? Okay, I will continue. So, okay, now just I created an object map. So map X equal to new hash map. So in list and set, we know how to add element. There is one method called add and we are adding elements. So here also we have one method called x dot put. So here put, right, this is one of the method. It is there inside the hash map. And here we have two elements, two arguments, key and value. So let's suppose key, I want to pass my name. So not, I don't want to type that much. I want to pass A and I want to pass value is 10. So some key value fair and so just remaining. So again I want to pass B and 10. Not 10 key, I want to pass value, I want to pass 70 and key is C and value I want to pass 9 and the last one is I'm giving key is A and value is 10. So now I want to print these elements. How to print element? hash map elements and print ex. Just try to run this one. See here hash map elements. So A is the key and value is 10 and B is the key and value is 70 and C is the key and value is 9. So basically here, so key value pair. So here we can able to notice one thing. So A is repeated twice. So but in the output we can able to see. Hello Nagendra. Hey. Hi. You can able to hear me, right? Okay, then fine. I will continue. Okay. Okay. If you are not able to, hear me, just raise your hand or you can ping me. Okay. Here you can able to see A I added 2 times, but it's displaying only 1 time, right? Okay. So here also it will not allow duplicates as a key. So key is A, B, C is the key and value is 10, 70 and 9 are the values. So key it will not allow as a duplicates. And the value, see if you see the value, right, it got repeated 10 and 10. So value it will allow as a duplicate. So that is one difference. And the third difference is, see, it will not give you the order. I mean, you can't expect the order. Right?
Yeah, right.
Yes. Now we can see. Okay, here we are not able to expect the order. Why? Because this is also will use hash algorithm. So wherever you will see the hash, it will not give you the same order. I mean, whatever you added the content elements. So that is the blind. I mean, you can remember blindly. Hash means it will not give you the same order of the elements whatever you added. So that is one difference. And also it will not allow key as a duplicate. And value you can able to add. Okay, and next time what I want to do, as part of key I want to pass null, and value I want to give null. So let me print. So it's allowing null also key. So key is null and value is null. So it is allowing. So I want to add one more time. So the second time null it is not taking. Why? Because it will not allow duplicates. And let's suppose this is first time adding null 1 value, and second time I am adding null 2. So key is same and value is different. So let me see what is the difference. You can able see here, right? Null and value is null 2. So here null 1 is not coming as value. So what it is doing, it is overriding the previous one. Yes. And it will not allow duplicates. Don't know, there is some problem from my side. Internet is keep on reconnecting. You can able to hear me, right?
Yeah, now I can.
Oh, I don't know, some problem from my side actually. Okay.
Okay.
Basically it will not allow key as a duplicate, and it will allow key as a null. So if you are
Okay.
adding second time the same value, it will override the previous one. See here, null is 2 times I'm adding, and value is first one is first null 1, and second time is null 2. So in the output you will get this one, you will not get this one. So actually it will override the previous one.
Yeah.
So that is the advantage of hash map. So whenever you want to add any elements key value pair, then you can select map. So hash map, you will not, you can't expect the order.
Yeah.
So that is the advantage of hash map. So now I will create an object for hash table, the first one.
Yeah.
So how to, just I will copy paste. Okay,
Okay.
clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, sure. If you have any question, just I will repeat one more time, not a problem. Hash map. So hash table. Hash table, and I will change the variable to y. In all the places I will change to y. 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 And here I will give name as hash table elements, and here I will give y. So just I created an object for hash table, and I added some elements, and I'm printing the element content. See here, you got one exception here,
Yes.
null pointer exception.
Yeah. Null is not accepted.
Yes, that is the difference between hash table
Hash.
and hash map. So hash table will not allow null as a key, but if you want to add value as a null, it will allow. Let's suppose I will show you that example. So I will remove null, and I will add here d. So I will remove the last line, and I will add value as a null.
Even value. Okay.
So value you can able to add null, but key you are not able to add.
So basically this hash map and hash, okay, again.
So null also it's not allowing something. Let me. Yeah, null also it will not allow. So why, why it will not allow, it need to override the value, right?
Yeah.
So let's suppose if I'm adding here x and here d and again y. So in the output we will get this value pair, right?
Yeah.
So if we are adding same key, then what it will do, it will try to compare the value.
Okay.
So if you are providing null, no, it's not able to compare, right?
Okay.
So null dot something, if you are calling null dot something, you will get null pointer exception. So
Yeah.
that's what it will fail actually.
Okay.
But whereas here it will allow null actually. So let me give, I think here also it will not allow. Let me. So first one it will allow.
Okay.
So hash map will allow null as a key or value. Whereas hash table, it will not allow null as a key or value. So that is the basic difference between hash map and hash table. Clear, right?
Yeah.
And both will not give you the order. You can't expect the order. Why? Because this is also hash and this is also hash.
Yeah.
So that is one difference. Hash table, hash map, and now the third one is tree map. So now what I will do, I will create an object for tree map. So just copy paste. Just copy and paste. So here I need to give tree map, and here I will give you
Z.
z z z z z z z. Clear, right?
Yeah.
So here I need to give z, and here tree map. Tree map elements. So here key is a b c a d d something. So here instead of a I want to give x, some random order I'm giving actually basically. So here duplicate also I'm giving, some duplicates is there but random order is there, right?
Yeah.
Random order and duplicates also is there. So let me print and see what we will get the output. Tree map. So here a b c d and x, you can able to see some sorting order, right?
Yeah.
So tree map means, tree means it will try to sort the elements actually. So key it will sort key
Okay. Based on the key, okay.
only key based on the key, and value will be the same. A value is 10, right?
10. Yeah.
And B value is 70, and
70.
C value is 9, and D value is
Y.
I said no, it will override.
Override. Yeah.
So it now value became Y. It
Y.
will not give X. Why? Because it will override. It will take the latest one always. So that is the difference between hash map, hash table, and
Hash.
tree map. So now the last one is linked hash map. Can you expect what the order here? Linked
Memory
means,
allocation.
yes, memory
Memory
allocation plus the order is same, whatever you added.
same.
So that
Yeah.
is the basic difference. So what I will do, just I will copy and paste the same thing. Hash linked hash map, right? So I need to create an object for link linked hash map. Linked hash map here XYZ. I will give P. P. PP and here linked hash map. Okay, linked hash map. and here I need to give P. So here I'm adding elements X, B, C, A, D, D, some random order, and again I'm printing the elements. So here the order is
Same as it is.
X, B, C, A, and D. So D is duplicate, so it will take 1.
Okay.
This is clear, right?
So,
This, yeah, tell me.
yeah, overriding is not possible in the hash map.
Hash map, yes, it will follow. In
It
case
will
of
follow.
hash, I mean, inside map key, it will not allow duplicates. That is one thing. And the second thing is, let's suppose in case of, if you are trying to add duplicate key, then it will override the value. That is for everything.
Okay.
Not only hash map, for everything, all the map, that is one of the map property.
Okay.
All the family, entire family of map will not allow duplicate as a key. If at all, if you are trying to add, it will take the latest key value.
Latest.
So that is one of the difference. And the last one is Q.
Okay.
So Q, I mean, what it will do, you know, Q basically you will not use actually, but I will tell you the history and I will give an example also. Let's suppose you have a printer, right?
Yes.
So printer, right? Let's suppose you are giving printing, and in a floor, generally you will see one printer, right? In your office or
Yeah.
somewhere. So they will not
Yeah.
keep for everyone one printer, right? So one printer need to
Yes.
share all the persons.
Yes.
So let's suppose 100 employees is there, one printer is there. 100 persons are trying to give print. So what it will do, no? It will keep everything in a queue.
Okay.
Let me take. So queue means this is a queue. So here first one and second one and third one. So they need to, it will give one number actually, basically you can say indirectly. So first one, word given print for first one, right? That will be burned first.
Okay.
After that, second one. So it will assign priority, and there is no priority actually here. It's index. Even though VIP will give the second time, that print will come second time only. It will not come first time.
Okay.
So there is no priority here. That is a normal
Okay.
queue. So there is
Yeah.
one more thing is a priority queue. That is
Yeah.
based on priority.
Okay.
Okay, let's suppose VIP will give print. So if any
Yeah.
previous prints is there, that should be hold, and VIP print should be burned.
Okay.
That is priority queue. A normal queue, it will not give any priority. That should be first in, first out.
Okay.
FIFO, first in, first out.
First.
So that is the queue. This is priority queue means I said it will assign priority. So based on the priority, that work will be done. So
Okay.
this one we can use so many places. Let's suppose if you see any call center application, like credit card application, you can say. So which domain you are working?
I'm working into insurance.
Issue?
Insurance.
So insurance, right? So
Yeah.
insurance,
Yeah.
take your domain only. So let's suppose we have insurance company and we have back office, right, for insurance company, call center. Definitely call
Yes.
center will be there. So let's
Yes.
suppose for LIC, you can take LIC insurance company, and for LIC should have call center company, and inside that so many people are working. Let's suppose some 1,000 people are working. So what they will do, no? Let's suppose a customer raised a constraint, like I paid my, as part of monthly premium, sorry, yearly premium 30,000 I paid, but I got a receipt like 29,000. So
Yeah.
this is one constraint. So one more guy, he raised one constraint, I want to update my address from Madiwala to Marathahalli. You want to
Yeah.
update. There is two queries is there. Which one we need to solve first here?
Who called first?
No, it's not like that here. In this case, high priority, what is the high priority here? The bill one, right? The premium one. So
Yes.
first we need to resolve that person priority. Why? Because he paid 30,000, but he received receipt as a 29,000. So that is high priority. But address we can change at any time, right? It's not a big problem.
Yes. Yes.
So in that scenario, right, we we are getting bunch of work and we need to assign priority.
Yeah.
So in there we are using this kind of priority queue. Let's suppose if you don't want to assign any priority, and if you want to assign all are equal, then you can go for normal queue. So that is the one, a simple one. And now we'll see the one example, queue example. So basically this queue is not required, and I will write one simple program. So com dot, I will write package name com dot q, q u e q, and q u g u g demo. So this is the one of the simple class, and q equal to new priority queue. And now I want to add element q dot add so just I'm trying to repeat the same number again and again. So here 10, here 12, here 20, and let me print that elements. Okay, priority q plus q. Just try to run this one. So here you are getting 12, 126, 142, and 162. So you can able to see some priority or order, right?
Oh,
So you added
yes.
first is 12, after that you added 162.
162.
But after that what will happen? 142. But while displaying, so 122. So basically it is considering the lowest number is highest priority.
Okay.
The same way you can add some alpha numbers also, right? So characters, then also it will try to give the sorting order. So basically it is trying to assign the elements in some ascending order or descending order, something like that.
Okay.
So that is the priority queue. Okay, and now we have time 10:30. 10 more minutes is there.
Yeah.
So what I want to do now, I want to go back to one of the previous example. Let's suppose as of now we saw, how the sorting is happening, either
Yeah.
map or queue, some sorting is happening, right?
Yes.
So here, right, let's suppose right now we are adding x, y, z, p. Let's suppose if you want to add one person name, like a person, let's suppose we want to give one simple class. And here I want to write sorting demo. Sorting demo, and com dot sort is the package. Finish it, close it. So we'll see one of the sorting mechanism, list set. So we'll go for set. Where is set? Yeah, set. Under set we have one tree set is there, right? So tree set will give you the elements in a sorting order.
Yes.
So right now we are giving numbers 10, 20. It's very easy to sort, right? Let's suppose
Yeah.
we have one class called person. I'm writing one simple class called person, and inside that one field is age, and one more field is string name. Okay, simple class, and integer is one field and age, and one more field is string and name. And what I want to here, I'm creating one constructor. How to create a constructor?
Class name.
Public, no return type, and constructor is same of class name.
Class name.
So this is a default constructor, right?
Yes.
So I want to create an argument constructor. So I want to write integer age, comma,
H.
string name. So this whatever values I am passing, I want to assign to this one. So I can't assign age equal to age. Here there is no meaning, right? For which age you are assigned to which age. So this age is
Yes.
different and this age is different. So how to differentiate? We need to use.
This age.
So again, this dot name equal to name. So this is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am trying to create set object. Set s equal to new tree set. So basically tree set will not allow duplicates.
Yeah.
We have already saw. So set will not allow duplicates. That is the main funda. Not only set will not allow duplicates, and tree set will give you the elements in a sorting order. So now I am not adding xyz or 1 2 3. I am adding one existing class. So I want to sort this class based on the person age.
Yeah.
Let's suppose if I will create a 2-person object, person p equal to new person, and I need to pass the age, and the second argument is name Manohar. So like that I'm creating 5 objects. So this is first person, second person, and third person, and fourth person. I want to create one more fifth person also. Fifth person, and here right, first person age is 10, and second person age is 100, and third person is 110, and fourth person is 310, and fifth person is, I'll give 6. So this is in some random order, right?
Yeah.
So I will give name is different. I'll give Raj. I'll give Kumar. I'll give Mani. I will give Ravi. So person ages is different and names are different. So different objects, and I'm trying to add this to set dot s dot add. I need to add p1. So just I will add 5 times p1 and p2, p3, and p4 and p5. Okay, now lastly what I will print these elements. So just yes I will print. This is so far it is clear, right?
Yes.
So just one simple class I created, 2 fields I declared, and a constructor I created, and I passed 2 arguments, and I'm assigning that values to that fields, and I created 5 objects of the same class, and I'm passing different values. I'm adding these objects to the set. After that I'm printing the elements. Let's see what we will get the output. See here you are getting class cast exception. So this is a different, this is not a number, right? This is not a number to compare. This is not a number to sort. So how can you able to, on what basis you want to sort a person? Tell me first. You need to tell something, right? So we have a number of persons. On what basis? Let's suppose if you want to sort a student, you need to sort based on the age or based on the marks or something. You need to tell some parameter. We need to some scale.
Yes.
So your scale is not there. That's what it is not able to sort actually. That's what you are getting exception called class cast exception.
Okay.
So how to solve this problem? So there is one indicator, is one interface we need to implement. IMPLENT implements comparable. So there is one interface is there, comparable. So this is one of the existing interface, and this interface is there in this package java.util package. Okay, this interface, and inside this interface there is one method is there, so we need to implement that method actually. So that method is compare, sorry, COMPARABALE. So the second one, comparable, not comparator, comparable. So this comparable is there in this package java.util. This is an interface.
Yeah.
So inside this interface there is one method is there, we'll show you, compare to.
Yeah.
So now what I'm doing, just I implemented that method, whatever it is there inside the interface. Okay. So this is an object. So what it will do now, we need to downcast this object to person. So just person p equal to p dot o. Okay. So here, right, you need to do one thing. So here this means this fields, right?
Yes.
So take this dot age minus p dot age. So it will give some difference. Age you are comparing basically here.
Yeah.
So now try to run and we'll see what will get the output. So now you didn't get any exception, right?
Yes.
You didn't get any exception, and it's displaying class name, com dot sort dot person name and hexadecimal address, person name and hexadecimal address. So basically when you are trying to print an object, it is displaying class name at the rate of hexadecimal address. This one we have already saw in previous, right?
Yeah, toString.
Yes, exactly. Good, correct. So we need to override toString method. So
Yeah.
toString is coming from object class. So object class is super class for everything, either interface or
Yes.
so here comparable, it's an interface. So for comparable interface also super class is object class. So if you want to see that one, just click on OK. So this is an interface, right? So for this one also you see here extends is there, but you are not able to see, but compiler will add that one.
Okay.
So for every class, super class is object class. So from that class you will get toString method. So toString, just I'm trying to override. So instead of printing an object, what I will do, I will print the person name and age.
Okay.
So age colon, I will display age, plus also I will display name also. So now it will not display this thing, right? This com dot person and hexadecimal address at the rate of, right? Clear, right? So now I will try to run one more time. See here, now you are not getting any com dot something. So this is one person.
Yes.
And this is second person. And this is third person. So basically you can able to notice here, first is 6, 10,
6, 10, 100,
110. So you can able to see some sorting order, right?
Yes. Yes.
But let's see how we are adding the elements. So first we added p 1 2 3 the same order, and first I added 10, 100, 110, 310, 6. It's a random order, right?
Yes.
But when we are displaying the elements, then it's displaying ascending order based on
age.
So you can select whatever field you want. Let's suppose if you want to sort based on name also, you can able to sort. So that one here we need to do some difference. So this is the main logic.
Yeah, before editing, can you just explain this line? Return this age minus p dot age.
Yeah, this one, right? So comparable, this is one of the method. It is coming from comparable interface. So comparable is interface, and inside that there is one method is there, comparable, and the argument is object class. So whenever you are trying to there is one algorithm is there. So for set, right, what will happen, let me take print. So here set, let's suppose set is having one q. Q means this is a dabba.
Yeah.
So first I'm adding p1.
Mhm.
So p1 I added, and the p1 age is some 10.
6. Yeah.
Anyone, just assume
Okay.
10. So this is p1, and and next time I'm trying to add p2. So what it will do now, p2 value is some 20 or 2,
Yeah.
not 22. So what it will do, whenever you are adding new element, it will compare with the previous element.
Mhm.
So 2 is bigger or 10 is bigger? Which one is bigger?
10 is bigger.
10 is bigger. So what it will do now, it will push the p2 lower and p2 to p1 to upper.
Okay.
So we need some scaling, right? So here we are
Yeah.
comparing to we need to take the difference actually here. So 2 minus 10, you will get negative number or positive number?
Negative.
So negative means 2 should go down.
Yes.
So that's what we are doing here, difference, right? Again the same thing, again when you are adding, so you are taking the difference and you are adjusting the elements. This is fine. Again you are adding one more element called p3.
Yeah.
So again what it will do, it will compare p3 with p1 and it will take the difference.
Mhm.
Again it p3, so like that it will try to compare and it will take the difference. It will check either negative number or positive. If it is negative means it will put down. So like that, it's a backend algorithm actually. So that's what we are taking, negative difference.
Yeah.
Let's suppose if you want to display in a reverse order, we need to take
PH
here
minus this way.
minus negative. By
Okay.
default it will. So that is the basic difference. Now it's, you know, we are displaying numbers in sorting order 610. So now try to run and display how to see. So now see the element order, reverse order, right?
Yes.
So that is the way to sort our objects. Person is our object, right?
Yes.
So like that, if you have any scenario to sort the elements and display, let's suppose you are calling one database or web service, so it will give the list of persons.
Yes.
So you need to display in a ascending order.
Okay.
That is one scenario. Let's suppose you need to display students as per the marks.
Yeah.
So highest mark should be on the top.
Yes.
In that scenario, we need to do this logic, implement comparable, and we need to override, and we need to add that to set, and it set will give you the ascending order students list.
Yeah.
So this is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. And the one small topic is there. Tomorrow I will take, not a problem.
Yeah. This calling to the database and web services. This one you will take. Just explain.
Database I will take. There is one class is there in my list.
Okay. Okay.
I will give one example with MySQL and one example with Oracle.
Okay. Sure.
And what do you ask something else, right? What is that?
Web,
Web
web
services.
service.
Yeah, web service. Do you require? I mean, I can able to tell you. I can. I used to take classes also. It's not a problem. If required, I will tell you.
Just for knowledge purpose.
Okay, sure. I will tell you. Not a problem. I will try to create one service and I will show you how to call. Basically,
Okay.
you need how to test web services by using SOAP UI. That knowledge is required for you.
Yes.
So if you know how to test web services for testers, that is one of the value added.
Yeah.
So I mean, I don't know whether you know or not. SOAP UI we need to use to test web services.
I'm not aware of that. So
Yes,
just
that
if you
will be
can
good
share.
for you. I will tell you that one of the class somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay, and tomorrow we can plan for some database connection, or I will see the pending topics and I will take one class.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Yeah, fine. Bye. Right.